We were working on the Scofield Study Bible 3 the last time. We didn't quite finish that. We were talking about the cross references in there, where you go on the side and you see a certain subject and you can follow it all the way through. Well, in the older Scofield Bible, this is the original one right here, which we talked about before, he has the same cross references that I showed you in the center column right here. But what the new Scofield Bible did was to add to those. For instance, if you're following one of these through on the kingdom, and there are plenty of them, you can go through the kingdom all the way through the Bible with the old Scofield Reference Bible. The new one would have more of those parallel passages than the old Scofield Bible did, the Scofield Study Bible 3. So it added to the number of references that there were, and it's very helpful. Now, the other thing that this does as well, when you use the old Scofield Bible, you have to go from one to the other in here to find them all, if you want to. You've got to go from this place and see where it's telling you to go next. Then you go to the next place in the Bible and you find it and so on. But what the Scofield Bible 3 does to make it much easier to do that is something quite ingenious. It is called a subject chain references. Complete index to the subject chain reference. In other words, saying you, in the old Scofield Bible, for example, you came to the Antichrist. That just happens to be near the top of here. Or let's go to angels of the Lord, for example. Now, if you went to the first one, you would have found it in Genesis 16 and so on. Now, the old Scofield Bible would do the same. Then you'd have to follow it to the next one and all the way through the Bible till you came to Zechariah where it ends. So you'd have to follow them all the way through. But this one, you don't have to follow any of them through at all. What you do, you will find there angels of the Lord, and you see that right there. And therefore, you can go to any of those places and find it. You don't have to go all the way through the Bible to keep finding them. So this is a fantastic addition. Plus, where there are those special notes in there that were originally in the Scofield Reference Bible in certain places, what it will do with each one of those sections, for example, when you're talking about angels, it will say, summary note, Ephesians 1:5. Summary note, Judges 2:1. So if we go to Judges 2:1, in fact, we will find, let's find Judges 2 here. Let's find Judges 2. Here we go. Judges 2:1. Let's go back and see how close we can get to Judges 2. Judges 2. Okay, Judges 2:1. Yeah, here it is. The angels of the Lord. Here it is. An article right here. An article about the angels of the Lord. Now, there's the article right there, and that's true, but Judges 2:1 has also, in fact, it says right there, 2:1. You see right there where my finger is? That's 2:1 right there. So that's where that note is. In each one of these, therefore, that you go to in this chain reference section here, you will find a note like that that summarizes that entire topic. So not only do you have all that, the same as the other, but your cross references are improved. And also, in addition to that, the maps are fantastic in here. They are better than in most Bibles that I've seen. There are tons of them. And what it does as well is in each map, they will have numbers and letters. So if you're looking for a certain city, for example, all you have to do is go to this section, and it will tell you where any of these places are on any of those maps. For example, Mediterranean Sea. It tells you the numbers and letters to go to, which map and so forth, so that way you can find it. Therefore, this is one of the good things about both of these Scofield Bibles. Scofield Original with notes, 1917, and this brand new Scofield Bible here, which is the Study Bible 3 in large print. You will enjoy the Scofield Bibles. They are especially interesting. Now, he does have a theological point of view as well, which you'll find out when you go in there. But he's quite famous for this Bible, especially his cross-reference system.